out on the motorbike enjoying the nice autumn day in New Zealand. I'm out to Bridge Park because I'm back flying aeroplanes again and I've got to join the club. So I thought, why not? Be nice and take the motorbike. Holy Christ. Jesus, it gets busy above 5.5. So we're going for a ride. We've recently done a bit of work on the 750, so we're now running a nicer exhaust, so it's a fucking sight quieter, and we've been working on getting it all sorted out. Well, it's been a while anyway, because I've been busy working, so what can you do? And this is the first time I've been out on the bike for months. We've been busy fighting, trying to get the carburetor synced. So So there we go, so I'm just out for a ride. It's a nice day, as you can see. Not much to say really. But I hate it when they do that. Oh, Mr. Flood. We're behaving ourselves. So we're just about up on Bridge Park. It's just a quick ride. I've been out here many a times and you've probably seen them with the YouTube videos. So I'll call it quits for now and we'll catch you a bit later on.